People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed morning, blessed Wednesday, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, Lion and Lioness. I hope all is blessed, you know what I mean? And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, you know what I mean? Health over wealth. I wish I take care of it. Yeah, man. Sun a shine, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, my fellow Jamaicans, and all look on the platform. I don't know if you live on the platform where you come from Spanish Town right now. You know, I want to say take care of yourself, careful out on the street, you know. And yes, cause right now Spanish Town is in a turmoil situation right now. Very hectic, you know what I mean, scary. Violence are increased right now, Spanish Town, turn up. Some of the men them come from prison from the clansman, you know what I mean? Yeah. Some of them get caught up, some of them drop out. You see me? So right now the courthouse burned down, catch a fire. Zine, be a roadblock and be a corner beat. Yes, the 3-man drop yesterday, Tuesday night. Jaja. Viewers and subscribers. Boy, me I tell you a story. Violence, I went to go down, you know? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, show them look footage of the courthouse and thing, and you know, shut a fire, man, I run and this and that, and perhaps not, and Jano, you see it. So we just want to give thanks to Lifestyle and Spanish Town, the whole Jamaica star, you see me? Yeah, man, I'm part of Spanish Town, that you know. As you can see, people are walking, people are out there commuting. Carry on with their necessary needs and duties, you know. But you know, people start to run, so can't start fire, you see it? Kind of fire, 2 different separate direction, you know, and why me I tell us that stray bullet, you know what I mean? It's sad to see star. You must see somebody on the ground there, you see me? Police. I don't know my viewers and subscribers, but just be safe out there. Viewers and subscribers, yes man, that's the thing they want to check out. This Saturday the 18th, I don't know, Mama Son. And I'm linked, you know what I mean, from Jungle, Havana, you see me? Yeah man, big up the whole Bembo Street, everywhere man, you see it? Yes. Look man, big up yourself. See me? Yeah man, Mama Son party the 18th, at the same, 18th of June, this Saturday coming, you see me? Slap setting, special guest selector, I don't know, come slap at the bar, piece of a war. Jungle now got nice again, you see me I say? Be a niceness, yeah man. You know the Mama Son, it's a vibes girl, you see me? And she support everybody, so you don't know her party, I go nice. You see me? Yeah man. Some of viewers and subscribers want to look up for y'all song to, you know, for the fat ladies, because I know I represent for the fatty them, see? Any fatty on the channel, big up on yourself.
Go there fatty, twerk up your body. You know cool, you are Miss Atty, you know. Get in a bed, you know, fi climb pan cocky and ride it like Rachel Blackmore the Jackie. Your body big, but it no flappy.
We got the fatty that we can wine good. We got the fatty that we can grind good. We got the fatty that we look tan good. You go up your front and show out you're good again. Go there fatty, twerk up your body. You know cool, you are Miss Atty. Yes man. But just Spanish Town style, Spanish Town. Right now turn up. And wicked things are going on, you know, because you know when the man them they are jail, them don't get information about who a snitch and who a leak and who turn them back on them and who rob up money and firearm missing and all of them things there. So when them are done that plan, so when them come on road, people are gonna get dirt and dash way. Evidence are gonna get dash way. All who are witness are gonna get dash way. Zine. And also people on road. I pray say when them man they come on road, them gonna dash them way. Cause them time up. No badness, you see me, young bad man and young. Yes, bro, I tell my viewers and subscribers, that's the thing that starts scary. Scary, scary, scary star. But you don't know, live by the gun, you shall what? Die by it. Badness, you die by it. So we just say peace and love and live in peace and prosperity and blessings, and we say stop the crime. You know, so yeah man, everybody in a Spanish town right now, all the good Samaritan them. My prayers are with you. You see me? You know, my prayers are with you, all the innocent souls. I don't want to involve in nothing. You see, because I don't know, I see certain things that no, can't catch quack or get shot. Or if you come find out here or there, you get dot. You see me? Yes. You see it, I want to support that still, you know. So Spanish town right now, turn up hot. You know, Spanish town a bad people place. You see me? Yes man, not every part of Spanish town, so they have some good part, but you know what I mean? Why me I tell my viewers and subscribers, yeah man. Every day I go in for work in the star. So I give thanks to life, man. Life are the greatest star, is it? Don't know when it will end. So my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section and where the man them are war for star. Is it if a power struggle or in farming and you see me? Deal. Why me I tell you? Ah boy, I tell you star. Just sad, you know? Sad for sister the man that can't live in peace. And unity and love and you see me, but love alone can't do it, you know. Love alone can't do it. You have to have love and you have to have hate. You have to have good and bad mix, you see me? You can't have just too much good. You see it? You can't just have too much bad. You see it? It has to mix to get a balance, but you don't know when to support crime and violence. You understand? You know, that me say we don't support crime and violence, so I love and blessings, man. I don't know sleep, I'm sleeping at work I come from, you know. So hard man, I feel work night shift, you know? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, man. I really love, man. Everybody in the Spanish town, stay safe right now. See me, my prayers are with you all. Yeah, don't forget to like and share the content and click the bell and don't know, subscribe if you feel like doing so. See? Yes, man. A lion foot and I'm out. Not another one at I'm out.
I must say I'm very impressed. People, I'm already saying. I say you can suck. Right up. Mix the well with butter roots.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.